Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be testing out a super cool hack that I saw on Instagram, and hopefully it ends up being a helpful one. So this is basically my hack or wax series where I'm going to be testing out mixing powder with foundation. I actually saw two hacks, but one I think is old and people already know about it. That one was taking MAC Studio Fix Plus powder and like spraying it with the MAC Studio Fix Plus. I never worked at MAC, so I don't know the correct names. But yeah, the setting spray, and then using that with a flat like kabuki brush or a sponge and applying it, and it gives you full coverage. But that one, I don't know, and I haven't tried it yet. But if you do want me to do a video on that one, comment below, let me know. Now I know I did a video where I applied powder first and then applied foundation, but this one is different. I know it might seem the same, or maybe it doesn't, but this one's different because I'm actually gonna be taking my little Petri dish right here, and I'm gonna put the foundation on there and put powder in it. And what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to change the consistency. So this is actually really great if you have, you know, a foundation that's your favorite, but maybe it doesn't give you quite enough coverage that you're looking for, but like everything else is perfect. And if you're someone who just wants a perfect flawless canvas, I mean flawless, smooth, poreless, like imperfections completely gone, mixing foundation and powder is supposed to do that. All right, so I know I talk a lot in the beginning of my video, so let's get on with it. I just haven't seen you guys for so long, so I really miss you, and I'm like super anxious right now, but okay. So I'm gonna take my Lancôme Ultra 24-hour foundation because this is like one of my favorites. I feel like this foundation is a medium coverage, so mixing this powder is definitely gonna thicken up my foundation. Now I'm using the It Cosmetics Bye Pores. This is a micro powder, so this isn't like a Ben Nye banana powder or a Laura Mercier powder. It's very, very, very fine. I'm actually gonna squirt a lot just because I don't know how much I'm really supposed to be mixing. And then I'm going to mix about a good amount, maybe like less than half of what the foundation is, because I don't wanna go too crazy. So let me get closer for you guys. Oh, okay, so this is how much I mixed into the foundation. All right, can you see that? So now I'm literally just gonna take my finger because I feel like it's gonna be the easiest thing to mix the powder with. And I'm going to mix it. That actually wasn't enough. Wait, but it's mad weird because it's like, it's trying to mix, but it kind of reminds me when you take like pancake mix and it just keeps going on the sides and it's not actually mixing in. There we go. Okay, so now it's getting really thick. Since I have more discoloration and scars on this side, this is the side I'm gonna apply it on first. So let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna go ham first because I just want to see how it is. Okay, I'm gonna need more. This definitely one con I can already say is this makes the process of you doing your makeup take longer. So if this hack ends up working, this would definitely be something I will use mainly for special occasions. Now the only thing I'm gonna be nervous about with this is how is it when you're layering? Like what if I want to go in with another layer, which I am, like is it gonna be too powdery? I'm just gonna go all out. We're gonna go full on coverage. When you're in the process of applying it, do not rub your fingers over it. It started to spread apart. Yeah, it's kind of doing something weird right now, but I'm gonna keep applying it. Okay, so I have this side applied. It does look flawless, but it's weird because like the areas around here where I have like peach fuzz on my face is kind of clinging to it. Put it this way, it looks like I've already had this foundation on for a few hours. Nobody wants to look like they just had their makeup on for 5 hours and they just applied it. Like, I'm still gonna give it a try completely. I'm gonna do the full face and everything because I really want to see what it looks like completely done. Maybe, you know, maybe it might look good. So I'm gonna move on to the other side. Okay, so looking at this side, it does look slightly better than this side. It seems like you do have to use a pretty good amount of your foundation. I don't know if you can see, but it's like spreading apart. Like it does. It don't look good. This is not looking that cute right now, but I'm gonna still keep going. I'm gonna be taking my palette, of course, and I'm just gonna contour, highlight, blush, and all that good stuff. Look at my palette, y'all. I literally kill it. Like I already hit pan. What's going on? It's even making my makeup like not apply right. Like it's not doing what I want it to do. Powder made the skin so like, I don't know. Guys, I don't know. Okay, so I completely finished my makeup. I just feel like it's not as smooth and as flawless that, you know, it usually is when I do my makeup without adding the powder. I'm gonna use my CoverGirl Look Lockup Spray just to finish it off. I didn't add any extra powder because I feel like that's gonna be even more of a disaster because there's already powder in the foundation. Like I can feel on my skin that it's very matte, it's very drying, which I like. I like that feeling. I don't think that's a con. So, but I'm just saying that's why I don't wanna add any powder because that's gonna be crazy. So I'm not gonna do that. But to add a bit of moisture and to lock it in, I want to use the setting spray because of what happened and how it started spreading. So maybe that will kind of like make the foundation and everything melt into the skin and not look so powdery. But let's see. I'm gonna have to spray a good amount. Let's do the flash photography test though. I was about to forget, but what about that though? Cause I don't know. I'm assuming this is 110% gonna fail. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all are not gonna believe, yo. I knew it was gonna fail, but I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. What is this? What the heck is this? It looks like I literally just slapped myself with some baby powder. This looks so bad. I'm just gonna keep it on for a few hours and I'll be back and show you guys what it looks like. So far, this got an F, but we'll see.
5 hours later.
Can you see what happened to my face? Because I don't know what happened. My husband walked in and he was like, is your face okay? It basically, you know, it looks, I don't know what it looks like. You can see right here, it's so blotchy. This hack is whack, clearly. I was hoping and praying this was gonna be a hack and not be whack, but I had to go to the store looking like this. Well, I tried. I hope this video was somehow, I don't know, I mean, it's not really a helpful video, but I hope you had a good time watching it. I'm gonna make sure I try not to go MIA for this long again. I'm trying to get into a routine, so I just ask, can you please pray for me? If you gotta be like, Ray, where's your video? Please do it to me. And if you're wondering, yes, I am gonna have more videos of me using my palette. I use my palette in this video, but of course I'm gonna have more tutorials. I don't want you guys to think I don't love my palette because as you can see, I already hit pan on a few colors. I was in the zone after New Year's. I was kind of in limbo. But yeah, anywho, I'll talk to y'all later. Deuces.